Hey, I'm Will and Noble Locksmith, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Car Key Wizard. I'm an automotive locksmith, and while I definitely don't know it all, I have learned some tricks along the way that I hope will help you while you're out in the field. One thing you can do to help me out, though, would be to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, leave a comment or ask a question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I make a lot of videos, so if there's something you'd like to learn more about or a video you'd like to see on a car we're working on, just let me know in the comments and I'll put it up as soon as I can. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos. Alright, welcome to the channel, Locksmith Fam, here on a 2018 Lincoln Navigator. Beautiful car, all the bells and whistles you could think of. And we're going to make a key. We've got a Noble Key Supply provided key here, and the key slot for these is going to be in the console right down here, so our key is going to go like so to program. For our San Diego family, this is called Rain. It's been doing it for 2 days straight now, so it's really fun to work in the rain with a lot of electronics. And we're going to be using Smart Pro for this job. Alright, so we're going to go to vehicular selection. We're going to go to, does it have Lincoln on these? Yeah, so a lot of them you'll go under Ford. And then we'll go to Navigator. Usually I type it in, but there's not many Lincolns. So 18 and 19 procs push button. We're going to select that. We're going to go to special function. Let's see, what does the tips and hints say? We don't need special function. Alright, so we're just going to go to proximity immobilizer. Say OK. And he wants us to turn the ignition off. We can do that. Alright, and we're going to add keys. Alright. This procedure will program a prox key, not erase any other keys. So basically it says please insert the key where it needs to go, like I showed you in the slot. Do you have a working key present? Yes. Switch ignition on and press OK. Alright, so now we've got a security bypass on there, which is awesome, so we don't got to wait the 10 minutes, but the bypass does take could take a few minutes. So easy job with Smart Pro. I mean, you could do this with Autel, you could do this with Lonsdor. This is not a difficult job to do. Anybody can do it out there. Look at that gear shift. Why are they doing that, man? That just looks like something just to break, you know? My opinion changed to this car. The seats are damn comfortable though. I bet they do some cool stuff too. Come on. Come on, baby. We're just gonna... Alright, that did take a few minutes, but now we have security access granted, so we're gonna hit OK. Has 2 keys in the system. Great. Insert the first key into the slot. It's in there. And it says, please wait. Key programming failed. Awesome. So sometimes you just got to turn it around, turn it upside down. Let's try again. Yes. Alright, fail. We might have the wrong key. I'm going to try it one more way. And then I'm going to grab another key and be right back. Oh, this is what happens. Alright, be right back. Alright, we're back in. Whoa, key slipped on my... We're back in with a new key. And put it in the slot. Try again. All right, cool. Cool, it's really cool. Okay, so literally all I did was, let me see this key, it was sitting with the buttons facing out. I turned it around so the buttons were facing back, and it programmed that time. So now we've got 3 keys programmed. Okay, let's check that key. Everything works. Do we want to program another key? No. All right, procedure's complete. Welcome to locksmithing. It's the little things like this that turn you from a button pusher into a locksmith. You know, I might have been able to take that first key I used and turned it around 5 more times and it might have worked, but I had another one right in the van, so I just grabbed it. Ooh, that's really close probably. So you can see how finicky they are, you know, just by turning this one way or the other. I don't know where the sensor is. The sensor might be on the back wall, so you know, having it one way or the other might have been able to read the transponder easier. I don't know, but that's what we do. There's no rhyme or reason to these cars. Sometimes you'll hook up a Smart Pro on a 2018 Lincoln Navigator and it'll work just like it did, just fine. You'll go to the next one, Smart Pro won't even connect to it. And you'll have to use one of your other programmers. There makes no sense, right? But you know, that's what separates us from being good locksmiths that get the job done every time that it can be done, from the guys that go out and screw cars up and can't get it done, and they end up having to call us to come out and pay our prices. So I am done with this job. I'm gonna move on to one of the other 7 or 8 cars we have to do here today, and you probably see me in some more videos. So have a great day, make that money. Oh, and I always like to let everybody know, you're going to be in the 300 to 350 range for something like this, is what I would charge on one of these as a prox job. So yeah, it's a decent paying job, and you can knock it out in 20 or 30 minutes. We're going to go cut the emergency key and be done.